Hey guys, what's up? Happy Banjo Dude here. Welcome to another lesson. This week we're going to be covering Hopeless Wanderer by Mumford & Sons. We got the capo on the 3rd fret this time, and the top string is going to be tuned all the way up to B flat, just like in Paranoia and B flat major. Now, if you broke your string last time you tuned up to B flat, you might want to go and talk to a banjo luthier and have him install some railroad spikes or a 5th string capo. That way you won't worry about breaking that string when we're tuning up. Fair warning, this is the hardest Mumford & Sons song that I've covered, so be sure to start super slow and work your way up in speed with a metronome. Be sure to click on the link to my website so you can get all the tab and follow along. Here we go, Hopeless Wanderer. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to click on the link to my website so you can get the tab and follow along. And again, that's probably the hardest Mumford & Sons song we've covered, so be sure to start super slow and work your way up in speed with a metronome. And I'll be back next week with a lesson for Lover's Eyes, so I will see you then.